Have you ever wondered how science can help heal our bodies? Regenerative medicine is an exciting field reshaping healthcare. It aims to replace damaged tissues or organs caused by age, disease, or injury. Instead of just treating symptoms, it focuses on healing from within. Regenerative medicine combines tissue engineering, cellular therapies, and medical devices. By using these methods, we can enhance our body's natural healing processes. Imagine harnessing the power of your body to heal faster and more effectively. This field unites experts from many areas, including biology, engineering, and medicine, to tackle serious medical challenges. The goal? Restore the structure and function of damaged organs and tissues. This approach aims to develop transformative solutions for diseases and injuries that are currently untreatable. Let's explore the main focuses of regenerative medicine. Tissue engineering involves creating scaffolds that support new tissue growth. These scaffolds must fit the shape of the needed tissue and attract cells to form new tissue. By applying exercise during this process, we can produce functional engineered tissue. This exciting field has treated millions, especially in soft tissue regeneration. Next, we have cellular therapies. Our bodies contain adult stem cells that help repair tissues. By extracting these stem cells and injecting them into damaged areas, we can encourage tissue reconstruction. Stem cells can originate from various sources like blood, bone marrow, and even dental pulp. Researchers are continuously refining these techniques for better outcomes. Lastly, consider medical devices and artificial organs. When an organ fails, the common solution is transplantation. However, there are challenges, such as the limited availability of donor organs. Some patients require support until a transplant can occur. For example, ventricular assist devices help maintain heart function as a temporary measure. Innovations are underway to create devices that can replace or support organs like the heart, lungs, and kidneys. In summary, regenerative medicine is a groundbreaking field that promises to revolutionize healthcare. By utilizing tissue engineering, cellular therapies, and medical devices, we can enhance healing and replace damaged organs. This could lead to cures for previously untreatable conditions. If you want to learn more about these innovative therapies and their potential, explore further. The future of healthcare is here, and it's moving towards regeneration.